I've been trying out this easy cucumber salad recipe that I found online, and it's been fun to just take it to work for a snack. But I decided to share it with you guys, so listen in. Today I'm going to do a cucumber salad. I know the cucumber salad trend has been going on for a while. I'm a little late to the trend, but this is what I've been doing all week, so let's get into it. So these are the ingredients that I'll be working with today. Here's the cucumber, red onion, some dill, and pepper because, well, I love my pepper, and some salad dressing. Alright, let's get started. Next, I'm going to cut the onion. I like to do my onion a little thin. So those are my onions. So first, I put the onions in. The main ingredients, the cucumber. Then I put the peppers in. Next, I put some salad dressing. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix them all, mix it up together. So next, I just kind of mix it together. And just mix it together. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of it in. Just make sure it's all over it. Yummy. Okay. And this is my salad. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to put it into this container because this is the container that I normally take with me to work. Oh, so good. I'm already looking forward to eating this. Oh my God. Take it all up. Yeah, baby. Oh. And then I shake it up. So I shake it up. And voila. This is my salad. Ta-da! And now for the taste test. so good. You try it out and let me know, okay? And you can change it up any way you like. Alright, see you guys until the next one. Bye. So good.